My Vistage Group members are all talented, successful people who have the courage to take the risk to start a business. They are driven to take their businesses to the next level. They need a peer group. They need somebody to talk to, and not just anybody, but other business owners. People with business skills, people like them who take the risk to have their own business. And that's one of the reasons they come and join my Vistage Group. They get advice about things that they never would have thought of. They get referrals to other resources and other professionals. Not only do you get all this great advice, but the group demands that you come up with action promises, that you say what you're going to do and when you're going to do it. And then, in future meetings, the group holds you accountable. They want to know whether you've done what you said you were going to do or not. They value the opinions of the other group members, and they are driven to get those things done. I'm there in my role as a chair, and I'm trained to facilitate those discussions. I'm trained to keep them on track.